Hello, this is Rob from Intermatic Tech Support. This quick clip video is going to show you how to set the time and date on the ET1100, 1700, and 8000 series electronic controls. We will also show you how to enable or disable the daylight savings time feature. Now we're going to show you how to open up the door. There's a clip right here. You pull it on it and then the door opens right up. So we're going to start by setting the actual date. And you do that by hitting the mode button once. It'll flash your current month or a month, and you put it to your current month. And once you are there, you hit enter. You set your date to your current date. Hit enter and then set your current year. You do all of this by hitting the plus or minus button to change anything. Once you are set, you have your correct date in, hit the mode button and it'll flash your time. Now, in order for you to set your time, you always have to make sure that you set your date first. If you do not set your date, it will not let you set your time. So in order to set your time, hit the plus or minus button. And if you hold either button down, the time will start flashing or start moving a lot faster, like it just did. So we'll set our time, be cognizant of the AM PM to make sure you're at the correct time, and then you hit the mode button, back to auto. Once you're at auto, you'll see your current time, you'll see your current date. One quick note, this unit comes factory preset with daylight savings time enabled. If you do not observe daylight savings time, there is a jumper in the back of the unit that you can move. The jumper is located on the top. It'll say daylight, it'll say DST at the top, and it'll have a spare jumper. You move this spare clip as shown, and you move it to the DST if you want it to remove daylight savings time. Once you move that jumper, it is very important that you reset the timer by hitting enter and reset together at the same time. Once you've completed your setup, you close the door and the latch, and you've completed your setup. Just want to say thanks for watching today's quick clip. Leave any questions or comments below.